Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jereel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you subscribed already, don't forget to like this video and share as well.
I'm calling, maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it.
So today I am doing something really overlooked. Like, it's always overlooked because no one knows the value it adds to your makeup. So what is that? I call it the artificial way of making your eyes look brighter and more awake and bigger. So if you want to learn this new trick that has been working for me for a very long time, just relax and watch to the end of the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. So the only trick to getting this is a white eyeliner, and this one I've had it over the years. It's really old that I can't really think of what make it is, but if I could remember, I remember reading lagirl on it, but I'm not too sure because I've had about 3 over the years, so I don't know which one is which. So for this look, for this makeover, this is the pencil I'll be using.
Always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, low lights out of sight. Long way, so in, say it again, so in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, go ahead. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina. Always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, low lights out of sight. Long way, so in, say it again, so in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, go ahead. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina. Always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long way, so in, say it again, so in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, go ahead. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina. Always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight.
So as you all can see, this is the finished product. My eyes look more brighter, it looks more awake and much more bigger. So I hope you learned this trick. So as I said earlier, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you've already subscribed, don't forget to like this video and comment and also share, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.